Hello everyone, welcome back to Ellen's Crochet channel. Today is Tuesday, June 3rd, 2025, and I want to welcome back my returning subscribers and especially welcome my new subscribers, for which I had many new subscribers this week, and I appreciate you all subscribing to my channel, and I hope you'll watch my playlist and like what you see and leave a comment and tell me what you think. My channel, Ellen's Crochet channel, is a little bit of everything. My love for yarn and fiber, and for my craft of crochet. I hope to divulge soon, learn how to knit. I have dipped into it a little bit, but I've never completed a project as yet. But never say never. I hope to do that sometime this year. So today I am here with a happy acquisition. Actually, two beautiful boxes of happy acquisitions. Today is Tuesday, so it must have been one day last week. I was perusing Etsy, as I often do, to see what's available and get ideas and so on and so forth. And I, of course, as I generally do, I checked Crystal Bag O' Day Crochet's Etsy shop, and Crystal had some yarn. And whenever I get there and I see Crystal has some yarn, I try and order, because I've gotten another mystery box at one time from Crystal, for which was, to this day, unreal. Yeah, Crystal's mystery boxes and her destashes are simply amazing. So yesterday I received one box and I received another today, and let's take a look. Let's see what was in the box. So what's in the organza bag, my friends? Let's take a look. Okay, I have look at this beautifulness. I can't even, I have to put my glasses on so I can read it. That's what happens. You get old as dirt. You can't read. This is La Bien Aimée, hand-dyed in Paris. Hand-dyed in Paris. Look at that beautiful, beautiful. I don't have any yarn in my stash. That was hand-dyed in Paris. Okay, this is Merino Singles. It's 400 yards of 100% superwash merino, and the color is Bois de Rose. So it's rose. Everything else is written in French. I would need my daughter here to read that because she did know how to read and speak in French. I'm not even going to attempt it. But something about the grand attention of the ateliers in Paris. I should have, had I known this was in the box, I would have did a little translation. And if I can think of it later, I will put it in the description. So La Bien Aimée, hand-dyed in Paris. Beautiful rose color. And I would say this is definitely a fingering weight. Gorgeous, beautiful. Thank you, Crystal. I never imagined I would ever be able to have a beautiful yarn from Paris. Friends, you have to check out Crystal's Etsy shop whenever. You need to check there often. You just need to. Okay, also 2 hanks of this beautiful, look at that color. It's a beautiful chestnut, rustic, beautiful, amazing, luscious yarn. And I'm going to try and read it to you, my friends. This is Manos de Uruguay, and this is Alegria, which is a superwash merino and polyamide. I would say this is a DK sock weight, And it says Manos de Uruguay, the Hands of Uruguay, is a nonprofit organization which assembles women in cooperatives throughout the countryside in Uruguay. The aim of the organization is to bring economic and social opportunities to rural women. They are proud members of the World Fair Trade Organization. Okay, cannot read what this says as far as the location, but the artisan was Valerie. They recommend buying enough yarn to complete a project to give an overall blended effect. Knit 2 rows from one skein and 2, I'm guessing, from another. Machine wash or hand wash in cool water and dry flat. Of course, I would only hand wash anything that I made from this beautiful yarn. This color is Leo. Very interesting. I like that. 75% merino superwash, 25% polyamide, and as I said, approximately 445 yards per 100 gram skein. Beautiful. I can't even tell you, I think my camera's washing it out, but this is a beautiful, beautiful yarn, for which I needed something that color to go with many of the variegated I have. So, yeah, perfect, beautiful. Also in that first box is a ship geese. Okay, ship geese. Nobody could say that right. Whirligig. The color is teal to lavender. This is gorgeous. It's 20% alpaca, premium blend alpaca, and 80% virgin wool. It's got 1,000 meters, which is about 1,100 yards. Recommends a 3.5 or to a 4 millimeter hook or needle. And I would say this is a beautiful decay. It goes from lavender to a gray to a teal. Beautiful. I'm not going to open the box. I'm not going to open the bag until I use it, because this is just amazing. Yeah. Friends, check out Crystal's Etsy shop if you want to get some beautiful yarns. So that was the first box. I can't even imagine what's in the second. Let's see. Another beautiful organza bag. Let's see what's in this beautiful organza bag. Okay, so I have, ooh, 2 hanks. Moon Drake. Look how beautiful. Oh, these are my colors. Yes, yes, yes. So this is a Moon Drake, which is, the color is mauve, and it has those little bits, and it also has stellina. I don't know if you can see the stellina. Oh, this is gorgeous. Color is mauve. It's Sparkle Stardust. It's 410 yards of 80% superfine merino, 15% nep, and that would be those little bits that are on there of different colors. Oh, it's gorgeous. And 5% copper stellina. Recommended needle size is 2.5 to 4.0 millimeter. Gentle wash and cold. Lay flat to dry. I would say gentle wash cold by hand. Isn't that beautiful, friends? This is a fingering weight. Beautiful yarn. Wow. I cannot wait to use that. I don't know what I'm going to make with it, but I foresee a beautiful, oh, scarf, wrap, something. Just beautiful. Thank you, Crystal, for bringing these beautiful yarns. Okay, this is the Moon Drake Company. I'm not really sure where Moon Drake is, but wherever they are, they make beautiful yarn. Just gorgeous. Let's see what else is in there, friends. These are my colors. Oh. 1, 2, three, five. 5 hanks of a beautiful. Oh, you know I love those colors. This is the color Peonies. One of my absolute favorite flowers is a peony. Actually, we planted peonies a few years ago. Haven't had luck, but doesn't mean I'm not going to try again. So this is, let me put these in my thing here so you can see how beautiful this is. This is also from Manos de Uruguay, so the same nonprofit cooperative, actually just empowering women of Uruguay. No two skeins are identical. This was the location, it looks like Dragon, and the artisan is, I'm not sure if it's Mabel. I think it's Mabel. Her name was Mabel. Proud members of the World Trade or Fair Trade Organization, which is just wonderful to support them. 100% superwash merino, approximately 273 yards per hank, and recommends a needle, 4 millimeter needle. Hand wash or machine, dry flat. I would absolutely only hand wash this beautifulness. I would say this is, it's a light DK. I think this is something that would bloom to a DK. Definitely beautiful. And I have 5 hanks of this beautiful yarn. Thank you, Crystal, for bringing these wonderful yarns, bringing us the opportunity to, you know, to get these beautiful yarns. Crystal buys yarn from all over the world. I think recently it was Poland, Ukraine. She just shows amazing, beautiful yarn. And, you know, a lot of this I would have never been able to get, like from Paris. I wouldn't even know where to begin. But, yeah, so friends, if you're looking to buy unique, beautiful hanks of yarn, or even, you know, many times she has regular yarn, not regular, but, you know, the line brands and all of that, Karen. But check Crystal's Etsy shop if you're, and check it often, because when Crystal puts something on Etsy, when she's destashing or makes a mystery box, 1 minute it's there and the next minute it's gone. So that's why I check often. So speaking of Crystal, Nellie, my mannequin, is wearing one of my first makes. About four years ago, when I began crocheting again. I have been crocheting. I learned to crochet 30-something years ago, but you know, life got busy and I didn't have time. But about 4 years ago or so, I started crocheting again, and I happened upon Crystal's channel, and this is one of the first tops I made. And this is her easy crochet summer top. And yeah, I forget which yarn this is, but I know it's discontinued, but I'll put a link below. So you may still, some of you may have it in your stash. But yeah, I've worn this several times, many times. And yeah, I was proud that I was able to do that. And if it wasn't for Crystal and her tutorials and her patterns, I would not be able to create what I do now when I say I go rogue or go on my own and see a pattern and make a change. This was done 100% to Crystal's tutorial, because at that time I wasn't confident enough to make changes. But yeah, I've learned a lot from Crystal. So go check out her Etsy shop. And speaking of her Etsy shop, she does have her patterns bundled. Last year sometime I did buy her a bundle, and I think at that time she had 400 and something patterns in her bundle. She's since, you know, redid her bundle. I think she has over 500 patterns now. So Crystal does have I think she has thousands, and I forget how many. I think she said 3,000, maybe even more. I'm not really sure. Free tutorials on YouTube. She does have written patterns for some of her creations and her makes. I'm not sure about this one, because this one I did from her tutorial, but check out her Etsy shop. As I said, she has her patterns there. She often has her yarn pistaches and mystery boxes, which are amazing. Okay. Check it out. I will put the link below. So a quick update. I'm almost done with my top. Anyone who watched my video the other day and my short, it's almost done. I have a few more things to do. I need to finish my sleeves and sew in my ends, and my top will be complete, and I will be showing that probably tomorrow. I'll put it on my channel. And as I said, if it wasn't for Crystal and many others, I wouldn't be able to create that without a pattern as I do, make changes and so on. But this here, this is my first wearable that I made. Thank you to Crystal. All right, friends, hope you enjoyed my channel, and to my subscribers, I hope you enjoy my content. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. I read all of the comments, and I generally reply to each and every one of them. Sometimes it'll take me a little bit to get to them, but I do read them all, and I certainly let you know I've read them by putting a little heart there. But thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you, and if you can watch my playlist, that would even be best. Thank you. It would be great, I should say. And that's it. I keep saying and stop saying that. But this is me. What you see is what you get. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day, friends, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.